Hello, welcome to another botany lesson. I'm Mark the botanist, and maybe you remember the video about the Nasturtium, the Trapaeolum. That is a plant that you can eat. Special about is that it has round leaves and the stalk attaches from below. So we discussed that it is in a very special order, the mustard order, and we thought it may be worth to explore the phylogenetic history of it a little bit more. For this, we go to this very cool life map where we can follow the evolutionary history of Trapaeolum. So let's zoom out a little bit and remember the Trapaeolum is in the order of the Brassicales. Very cool about this family is that there is a lot of plants inside that we can eat, like the Nasturtium or the caper in the Caparaceae, or a lot of cabbage like broccoli, cauliflower, mustard in the mustard family, also called Brassicaceae. Let's zoom out a little bit. The order of the Brassicales belongs to the Malvids. In this not ranked clade, we find also the Sapindales, where you have, for example, the acer, the Malvales, where we find the malves and also chocolate, the myrtales with the eucalyptus. So let's zoom out a little bit more. The Malvids belong to the Rosids, where you also find the Fabids, for example, the bean family, the bean order is here, or the roses. So in the Rosids we have the Malvids and we have the Fabids. Very typical for this clade here is that leaves are always free, not the leaves, the sepals are always free, they are not fused. This then goes to the Gunneridae. The classification here is probably more genetically based, and it belongs to the Eudicots. Here we have also the Asterids, where we have, for example, the sunflower. It's a very big clade. And then we go back a little bit more, and we see the Eudicotyledons are one clade, and here we have the monocots. Remember, the differentiation between the monocots and the Eudicotyledons is the monocots have no tree rings. The leaf veins are mostly parallel, and the sepals and the petals often have a number of 3. Meanwhile, the Eudicotyledons, they have not only parallel leaves, mostly they have like branch pinnate veins or whatever form it can take. The sepals and petals often are in the number of 4 or 5, and they build 3 rings. When we go back a little bit, we have here the Eudicotyledons, the monocots, and then we have here the basal magniolophyta, where we have the magnioles. So let's zoom in again. Monocots, Eudicotyledons. Here we have the asterids, where the petals are often fused, or always fused. The rosids, where the petals are free, divided into the Malvids, and in the Malvids you have the Brassicales, the yummy order, where we have the mustard, broccoli, the capers, and the moringa, the superfruit, and our Nasturtium. Okay, we hope you enjoyed this little phylogenetic journey from the Brassicales. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye.